Okay, good morning class. So, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon simplifying radical expression using the laws of radicals. So first, ang una nating i-discuss is removing perfect and powers. So break down the radical into perfect and non-perfect n powers and apply the property. The nth root of AB is equal to the nth root of A times nth root of B. So for example, to apply this letter A, for example, we have square root of 18x cubed. So first ang kailangan natin gawin is i-factor muna natin yung 18. Kailangan maghanap tayo ng perfect root sa 18, sa factor ng 18, which is, so meron tayong 9 and 2. So ang perfect root natin is 9. Same as x cubed, hanapan natin ng perfect root. So ang pwede doon ay x squared. So yung natirang variable ilalagay natin sa kanan. So we will have square root of 9x squared times 2x. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang isi-simplify natin yung 9x squared. So kukunin natin ang square root ng 9x squared. So ang square root ng 9 ay 3. Then ang square root ng x squared ay x. Then yung 2x, since wala naman yung square root, ilalagay natin yan sa loob ng radical. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang ating magiging final answer ay may radical. So ang tawag natin doon ay mga irrational. So our answer is 3x times square root of 2x. So I hope na intindihan natin example na ito. So using the law of radicals. Ibang examples. Okay, so try natin yung number 1. Let's try number 1. So square root of 12x. So hanapan natin ng perfect root ang 12. Okay, so I think may idea na kayo kung ano yung ilalagay nating factor. So ang naisip nating perfect root dyan ay 4. Habang ang hindi perfect root ay 3. Okay? Then, kunin nyo ang square root ng 4. So the answer is 2. Then yung 3, walang square root, so ilalagay lang natin sa radical. So our answer is 2 square root of 3. Okay, nagets natin yung number 1. Okay, so let's proceed to number 3. The square root of x raised to 5. So, paano ba natin kukunin ang perfect root ng x raised to 5? So, ang technique dyan, yung pinakamataas na even exponent ng variable x. So, ang pwede doon ay x raised to 4. So, ilalagay natin as perfect root yung x raised to 4. Then, habang yung remaining variable, x, lalagay natin sa kanan. Okay, paano natin isi-simplify yan? Para madaling masimplify, yung exponent na 4, i-divide lang natin sa index. So, alam naman natin, ang index net ng square root ay 2. So, magiging sagot natin ay x squared. Then, habang yung x, so ilalagay lang natin sa radical. So, our answer is x squared square root of x. Okay. Next natin, try natin yung number 5. So, cube root of 54x raised to 5. Again, cube root of 54x raised to 5. So, dito, dahil cube root ng pinag-uusapan natin, ano-ano ba yung mga perfect cube root? So, kailangan alam natin yun. So, tanda natin, alam niyo dapat na may ang mga square root, cube root, ayan. So ano ba yung mga merong cube root? So meron tayong cube root of 1, cube root of 8, cube root of 27, cube root of 64, cube root of 5. So ayan ang mga example na may mga cube root. So hanapan natin ng perfect cube root ang 54. Yung number muna. So lalagay muna natin the cube root of, okay. So may naisip na kayo? So may mili lang kayo sa cube root of 1, cube root of 8, cube root of 27. So hindi na pwede natin gamitin yung cube root of 64. Mas mataas na yun sa 54. So wag nyo na rin gamitin syempre yung 1. So ang gamitin nyo na lang yung 8 or 27. So I think ang ilalagay natin ay 27. Then yung isang factor ng 27, yung 2. So lagay natin sa kanan. Okay. Next naman yung x raised to 5. So kung titingnan nyo, dahil ang index niya ay 3, hanapan nyo ng divisible na pwedeng ma-divide sa index, which is 3. So pwede ba yung 5? So hindi pwede. So ang pwede dyan ay yung 3. So 3 divided by 3. So lalagay natin na perfect cube root yung x raised to 3. Then ilan yung natira sa x raised to 5? So we will have x raised to 2. Then simplify na natin. So kunin nyo ang cube root ng 27. So ang cube root ng 27 ay 3. Ang cube root naman ng x raised to 3, divide nyo lang yung exponent by index. So magiging x. Then yung remaining, yung 2x squared, ilalagay lang natin sa loob ng radical. So copyin lang natin. Okay. So our answer is 3x times the cube root of 2x squared. Okay, another example natin. Okay. So let's try number 12. Okay, the cube root of negative 56 r raised to 10 s raised to 12. So sa cube root, tandaan natin, pwede ang negative number. So ano ba ang factor ng negative 56 na merong cube root? So ano kaya yun? 1. Since negative pala yan, so yung ibibigay natin mga negative numbers. Negative 1, negative 8, negative 27. So negative 64, hindi na pwede. So ano kayang naisip nyo? Pili na lang kayo sa negative 8 or negative 27. Okay, may idea na kayo? Okay, so negative 8. So anong partner ng negative 8 para maging negative 56? Okay, yung negative 7. Kasi negative yung answer dapat. So negative times positive is negative. Okay, then yung r raised to 10. So ano yung pinakamataas na number na pwedeng ma-divide by the index of 3? So yun ang r raised to 9. So pwedeng ma-divide yung 9 sa index na 3. So may natitirang isang r. Okay, next naman yung s. Okay, so I think yung s raised, yung 12 divisible by 3. So pwedeng may divide. So lalagay natin lahat. So s raised to 12. So walang matitira sa kanan. Then simplify na natin. Kunin ang cube root ng negative 8. So yun ay negative 2. Remember, pag ang radical niya ay negative, ang cube root nun ay negative din. Then sa r naman, divide lang natin yung exponent ng r sa index sa magiging r raised to 3. Then yung s naman, divide natin yung 12 by 3. So s raised to 4. Okay, then itira natin sa loob ng radical yung 7r. So our answer is negative 2 r raised to 3 s raised to 4 times the cube root of 7r. Okay. Next example natin. Okay, itong 6th root, number 15. Okay, the 6th root of 64 m raised to 23 n raised to 12. So ano-ano ba ang may mga 6th root? So meron tayong 6th root of 1, which is 1. So mag-iisip lang kayo ng same number. 6 na beses na number, ano kaya yon? Pwede sa cube root of 64. May cube root yun. So dito sa 64, hindi na natin kailangan i-factor yung 64 dahil meron ng cube root yung 64. Okay? Then, yung variables naman sa m raised to 23. So ano bang exponent na pwedeng ma-divide sa 6? So yun ang m raised to 18. Lagay natin m raised to 18. So ano ang natirang exponent? So ang natirang exponent ay m raised to 5. Okay? Then sa n naman, pwede bang ma-divide yung 12 by 6? So pwede. Sa lahat ay ilalagay natin n raised to 12. Okay? Then simplify na natin. Ang 6th root ng 64 ay 2. Then, sa m naman, divide lang natin yung 18 by the index na 6. So, magiging m raised to 3. Then, yung n naman, divide natin yung 12 by 6. So, magiging n raised to 2. Okay, times the 6th root of yung natira, m raised to 5. Okay? So I hope naintindihan natin itong examples na to. Itong ginawa natin. Okay? Ayan. Yung ginawa natin on simplifying radicals. Okay? By applying the laws of radicals. Okay? By removing the perfect n powers. So our next example na ibibigay ko naman ay reducing the index to the lowest possible order. So, paano gagawin yan? Express the radical into an expression with rational exponent, then simplify the exponent or apply the property. So, the mth root of the nth root of a. So, using the laws of radicals, multiply the indices. So, is it equal to mn root of a or the nth root of mth root of a. So let's proceed to the examples. The 6th root of 125 x raised to 3. So we have two solutions here. So dun muna tayo sa first solution. Okay, using the exponent. So, pwede natin gawing munang rational exponent. Okay. So, ito munang radical, pwede nating i-express yan as the 6th root of, okay, saan ba galing yung 125? Diba galing yan sa 5 raised to 3. Okay, 5 times 5 times 5. Then copy lang natin yung x raised to 3. Okay, then gawin nating rational exponent. So itong radical ayun ang magiging base natin. Then yung buong exponent ng radical which is 1, wala naman nakalagay, so 1. Then yung index which is the denominator. So our rational exponent is 5 raised to 3, x raised to 3, then raised to 1, 6. Then apply natin ang power of a power. So 5 raised to 3, kita muna natin. So 5 raised to 3, okay, times 1 over 6. Okay, then x raised to 3 times, okay, times 1 over 6. So magiging 5 raised to 3 over 6, x raised to 3 over 6. Since pares ng kanilang denominator, pwede nating pagsamahin as one base. So magiging 5x. Pares kasi ng kanilang denominator and numerator or yung exponent nila. So magiging quantity of 5x raised to 3 over 6. Then simplify nyo yung exponent. Yung 3 over 6 magiging quantity 5x raised to 1 half. Then doon natin ibalik sa radical. So magiging square root of 5x. Okay, for our second solution, okay, using the m root of the n root of a, so itong 125x cube, pwede nating i-simplify na yan. Muna, gawin nating the cube root of 5 cube x cube. Ayan. Then, may eliminate na yan. May eliminate na tong index na 3. Tapos itong exponent. So, magiging 5 na lang. Eliminate din yung 3. The exponent ng x. So, magiging x na lang. So, our answer is square root of 5x. So, kayo mag-decide kung ano ang mas madaling gamitin dyan. So, magbigay tayo ng more example. Okay? So, for example, number 1, the fourth root of m squared. So, pwede nating i-lowest term dito. So, ipakita ko lang yung muna yung solution natin. So, pwede nating gawing, sa number 1 tayo, pwede nating gawing rational exponent muna. So, magiging m raised to 2 over 4. Okay, then simplify natin yung exponent. I-lowest term nyo. So, magiging m raised to 1 half. Then, ang gagawin natin, ibalik na natin sa radical. So, magiging square root of m. So, hindi na natin lalagay yung index na 2, then yung exponent na 1. So, magiging square root of m. Okay, another example. Okay, let's try number 3. The fourth root of 729 x raised to 6. So, pwede nating i-apply yan. So, the fourth root, okay, the fourth root of, so, hanapan natin ng base tong 729. Okay, so may naisip na ba kayo? So, pwede natin gamitin sa 729 yung 3 raised to 6. Okay, then x raised to 6. Okay, then pwede nating ganito ang gawin. Since parehas naman ang exponent ng 6, ng 3 and x ay 6, pwede nating i-write as 4th root of the quantity of 3x then raised to 6. Ayan. Then gawin nating rational exponent sa magiging quantity of 3x, okay, then raised to 6 over 4. Okay, then simplify natin sa magiging quantity of 3x raised to 3 over 2. Okay, then balik natin sa radical sa magiging square root of 3x raised to 3. Yan, so kung papansinin nyo, parang mas mataas ang exponent ng nasa loob ng nasa labas. So pwede natin pa yung i-simplify. So magiging square root of quantity 3x squared times 3x. Okay? Then i-simplify nyo na. So ilabas natin yung square root ng 3x squared sa magiging 3x times the square root of 3x. So let's try number 9. The 12th root of 64, x raised to 4, y raised to 6, z raised to 8. So express natin yung 64 as 2 raised to 6. So 12 root of 2 raised to 6, then x raised to 4, then y raised to 6, say raised to 8. Okay, then gawin nating rational exponent sa magiging quantity of 2 raised to 6 x raised to 4, y raised to 6, c raised to 8, then raised to 1 over 12. Then magiging 2 raised to 6 over 12. Okay, then x raised to 4 over 12. Okay, then y raised to 6 over 12. Then c raised to 8 over 12. Since ang denominator nila ay puro 12, so ibalik natin sa radical. Magiging gagawin na natin dyan ay i-lowest term yung exponent. So magiging 2 raised to 1 half. Okay, then x raised to 1/3. Then y raised to 1 half, then z raised to 2/3. Okay, kung papansin ninyo, mayroong parehas na rational exponent, yung 2 and y. So pwede nating pagsamahin as sa lagay natin sa radical, magiging square root of 2y, okay, times, okay, square root of 2y times cube root of x, say, squared. Okay, let's try number 12. Para ma-simplify lang yan, multiply the indices. So 3 times 2 magiging 6th root of x. So ganyan lang. Okay. Yung number 14 naman, para ma-simplify yan, kailangan pares ang kanilang denominator. So, kukunin natin yung least common denominator ng 2 and 3 sa magiging 6 sa magiging 6 ang denominator ng x. Okay, kunin mo lang yung numerator, so divide mo yung 6 by 2. So 3 then times 1, so magiging 3 over 6. So x raised to 3 over 6. Then yung y naman, okay, then same din sa 6. 6 divided by 3, 2 times 2 magiging 4. Okay, then pwede na nating ibalik sa radical. Since ang denominator ay 6, yun ang index natin. So 6th root of x, yung numerator ng x, ayan yung exponent. So magiging x cube, then y raised to 4. So this is our answer. The 6th root of x cube, y raised to 4. Okay, I hope naintindihan natin yung mga binigay kong examples. So, dito natapos yung lesson natin on simplifying radical expression using the laws of radicals. So, dalawa na ang nadidiscuss natin. Yung pangatlong didiscuss natin, okay, didiscuss ko sa inyo sa online class. So, thank you very much. Then, ibibigay ko na lang yung mga sasagutan nyo sa Google Classroom.